let's do some power on stalls, and we'll start with the first one straight ahead.
All right.
So again, you're going to carburetor heat. Check for traffic before you do anything.
Nope, don't see anyone.
And as far as I can see, it looks clear. Okay, good. So you've reduced your power, and now you're just slowing the aircraft down. You have your 60 knots.
And this one has no flaps, correct?
Correct.
All right.
Okay, full throttle. Carb heat off. And just keep bringing it back until you get the stall. Remember to keep the ball centered.
Yeah, airspeed back and...
Okay, initially you're going to best angle of climb, which would be 61, and then you're going to 66.
Okay, so go to the VY.
Yeah, basically the idea is you want to break the stall, avoid a secondary stall, but you also want to minimize your altitude loss.
Okay.
If this were to happen, say 200 feet above the ground, you don't have the luxury of much altitude. There it is. Good. Now start to bring the pitch up. Just nice and smooth. There you go. That looks really nice.
Thanks.
Notice as the pitch goes up, you need more rudder. That's because of P factor. There it is. Relax the back pressure. Start gradually bring the pitch up to your climb attitude, and you have your airspeed and your climb attitude.
Oh, nice.
When I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind works backwards, it's for a minute. I hold on to you before the memory's gone. I remember you. You lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you. You make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember, remember. I remember you. You lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you. You make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember, remember. When I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind were